A short time ago, the Pennsylvania State Supreme Court overturned Bill Cosby's sexual assault conviction. He was found guilty in 2018 of 3 counts of sex crimes and sentenced to 10 years behind bars. CNN's Bryn Gingras is following this story. How did this reversal happen?
I mean, it's a shock to everyone at this point. I think on both sides, even his attorneys who are actually headed to the prison right now to get Bill Cosby, were told by his attorneys that they have not spoken to him, but they do expect him to come out, get in their car this afternoon, and they're expected to go to the Cosby home. I want to read you a quick statement because that's the latest we're hearing, and then we'll get into the finer details of what this appellate court decided. The statement from the Cosby family from this attorney, Andrew Wyatt, says, "I want to thank the Supreme Court who saw the light and saw the truth. Mr. Cosby was originally given a deal by Bruce Castor in which he was granted immunity. He gave up his Fifth Amendment rights in hopes that he would get back to work, back to life, and he always showed up for any legal matters and questions on his own accord. Charges should have never been brought against Mr. Cosby. I want to thank the attorneys who successfully argued his appeal, and especially Mrs. Cosby, who stood strong and was here for Mr. Cosby every step of the way and supported every idea and strategy from the attorneys and the team, and she always knew that Mr. Cosby was innocent." So that's really honestly the crux of it. Essentially, the appellate court deciding that this deal that was made with the then Montgomery County District Attorney Bruce Castor, who may be a familiar name to you, Allison, because he represented President Trump after the insurrection. Essentially, that happened back in 2005 with Cosby, which allowed Cosby then to feel like he had immunity to then go forward and give these depositions where he incriminated himself. And then those depositions were then used against him when charges were basically brought forward more than a decade later. And that's what the appellate court is saying, was his due process was violated. So this is really just stunning at the moment. But what we are hearing is this 78-year-old or 80, he's in his 80s, 83,
he's
thank
83,
you,
yeah.
83-year-old comedian who many thought that he would be in prison for the rest of his life is now going to be walking as a free man, when we know during these court trials, more than 50 women were coming forward. And you have to remember, again, to put this in context, this was the first celebrity in the Me Too movement that was accused and also convicted. This was like a pivotal moment in that movement to sort of pave the way. Of course, we saw Harvey Weinstein after that and many others. And so this was huge for women to say they can come forward and actually get justice. And now it looks like that's all somewhat in question as to how much justice did they really get.
Absolutely. I've interviewed close to a dozen of those women personally. I've spoken to some today already, and they are devastated by this. I mean, they took the risk of coming forward and telling these hideous stories about what they say he did, and now that his conviction has been overturned. So that feels like justice denied to them this morning. Bryn, thank you very much for that reporting. With us now is CNN senior legal analysts Elie Honig and Laura Coates. Laura, I start with the same question that I asked Bryn. How did this happen? Was this something that the former DA, not the one who got the conviction for Cosby, the former DA, Bruce Castor, did he do something dubious here? Is this a result of some sort of backroom deal that he did?
Well, this is the result, certainly not with the judges or the Court of Appeals, that Bruce Castor would have had this sort of a deal. What the deal he had was with Bill Cosby back many years ago. I think it was 2004, when he said, hey, listen, I've made a judgment call about the likelihood of being able to prosecute successfully Bill Cosby, again, who was alleged of victimizing, at the time, Andrea Constand, before any criminal trial had ever been brought. He made an assessment about the likelihood of success and offered instead for the opportunity not to prosecute him so that she could pursue civil litigation remedies against him. Now, under that agreement, Bill Cosby agreed then to make statements under a deposition that provided for civil relief, not criminal prosecution. So this was actually argued a lot prior to the trial. Remember, leading up to the criminal trial, Bill Cosby's attorneys were very adamant that he should not be prosecuted because they had this deal. They didn't want his deposition to be used against him in any way. They believed he had been guaranteed that it would never come or see the light of day. And remember, there was a trial court judge who said, we're going to change that. It will not only see the light of day, it can also be used in some form or fashion in this existing criminal prosecution. And so this was teed up before the trial, but after a jury found him guilty, after a jury heard all of the evidence, after a jury weighed the testimony of people who actually were there and testifying in court, court, and also, of course, the victim survivor, Andrea Constant, well, the jury made their determination. And so now you have to ask yourself to what extent the jury was relying on those deposition-related statements as opposed to what else they heard in the trial. The appellate court seems to think that they never should have had the opportunity to hear any of it, and the entire criminal trial should have been precluded. It's pretty shocking.
Ellie, just to remind people, I just want to pull up the New York Magazine cover, okay? These are the women who felt compelled to come forward and speak out about what they say Bill Cosby did to them, okay? There are at least 50 so-called victims, and I say that because his conviction has been overturned, so now it's hard to know what to call them at this point. They were accusers, and they came forward and told their story, and so for them, this morning, it's very confusing for what's happening. Explain how it can be that he could be convicted in 2018, but before that, as Laura was saying, in 2004 or 5, the DA could have promised him that he wouldn't be prosecuted.
Yeah, Allison, it's got to be so devastating for the victims. I know you said you've spoken with some of them. I've certainly dealt with many sexual assault victims over the years. It's just got to be heartbreaking for them. This is important. The court did not say Bill Cosby is innocent. The court did not say Bill Cosby didn't do any of this. What the court said is a deal is a deal. And going back to 2004, as Laura said, the DA at the time, Bruce Castor, made a deal, essentially, the court found, with Bill Cosby. That deal was the DA said, we don't think we have enough evidence to charge and criminally convict Bill Cosby. Now, we can certainly second guess that, but that was Castor's opinion at the time. And as a result, because the DA had said we won't be charging criminally, that forced Bill Cosby to testify in a civil deposition, because if you have criminal charges hanging over you, you can take the fifth. But once the DA says, I'm not going to be charging you, then you cannot take the fifth. And that's the deal that the court said that led Bill Cosby to give this deposition testimony, which was then used against him. And then it doesn't matter what happened after that. Is new DAs came in and they said, we're not living by that deal. We're going to charge him anyway. But the Supreme Court said, too bad, future prosecutors, later prosecutor. The deal that Bruce Castor made back in 04, 05, that's a deal that's binding. So that it's really a legal decision here based on that deal that Bruce Castor made. It is not a finding that Bill Cosby didn't do it, that the charges against him were wrong, that the evidence wasn't insufficient. This is a legal ruling only, if that's any consolation for people to know.
I don't know. I mean, we'll be speaking to some of the survivors later in the program. I don't know if that will be any consolation to them, because just hearing that he's going to walk out of prison this afternoon has been such a shock to them. And so, Laura, about that deposition, you know, what a lot of these women say is that he drugged them. He drugged them and then had sex with them. And he never admitted that until a deposition, that deposition that he gave in 2005, where the attorney said, Andrea Constand's attorney says, when you got the Quaaludes, was it in your mind that you were going to use these Quaaludes for young women that you wanted to have sex with? This is the question posed by Andrea Constand, by her attorney. Bill Cosby replies, yes. And that was part of what this hinged on. He admitted it in this deposition. But you're saying that now that shouldn't have been allowed in his criminal trial.
Well, that's what the court has now found, that it should not have been allowed. And let's just be clear. I want to be very clear in the language that we use here. It is one thing to show the magazine cover of all the women who have accused Bill Cosby. It's also a different leap to go to who actually was able to testify at the trial. And we know that made a difference here, not to minimize anyone's allegations, but it made a difference in how the trial court allowed people to actually testify to substantiate and buttress the credibility of this testimony of Andrea Constant, who was the one victim whose actual case was before that particular trial jury. And so it's important to make sure we distinguish, because it's important for looking at the deposition in terms of when we talk about the admissions that he made. At all times, Bill Cosby has denied, as we all know, has denied that he was at all guilty in spite of that particular statement that he made. But it did not preclude the jury from actually disagreeing with his statement and believing that he, in fact, needed to have accountability, and they convicted him. Even as late as, I think, last week, he was denied parole, in part because he failed to demonstrate remorse. He refused to take, I believe, a sex offender course while he was incarcerated, consistently professed his innocence, which of course is the right of people to do, but given the volume of what you're talking about and the volume of allegations, it seemed to belie common sense that he would not have remorse or have admitted something even at that point when he was serving in prison. And so right now, a lot of this is in many respects for people confusing in part because it feels like a technicality, but it also shows you the underbelly of what prosecutors' deals actually look like. It's about the cost benefit analysis that prosecutors often make in deciding how they're going to pursue justice for an accuser if they are unable to meet what they believe will be their burden of proof. And as Ellie pointed out, we can quibble about whether they could have proven ultimately. Obviously, they were able to do so many years later in this trial. But now you're seeing him walk away because the court said, I'm not going to look at what happened in the trial. I'm going to look at the actual deal. And you never would have had the trial had that agreement been honored.